So tofu over here, we freshly made them every day. Today, I will take a small piece and you will have a chance to try fresh tofu. There you go. Let's slowly move inside the house for me, yeah? And this is where we call it a wet market. Oh yeah, it's wet market because it's very wet.
Why is everything so wet?
Why is it so wet? Yes, good question. You see, everyone wash everything everywhere. They're eating here, they're sleeping here. So, here, we're stopping at the dry goods vendor. Here, they're literally selling all of the dry goods that you can see. If you're making banana flour salad, this is banana flour. Inside banana flour, you're having baby banana.
Oh.
So this is one of the future banana. So what we're buying over here is bun or buncha, big, cube, and bun is gonna be like spaghetti, you know, long, brown, and thin. A menu of 4 courses. We're having mango salad, Vietnamese pancake,
Buncha.
cha, yes, and egg coffee. So of course, you can never have mango salad without mango.
Time to start the prep work. These vegetables are for the mango salad. We also had to juice up a whole bunch of kumquats. These have a similar flavor to lime. All this juice is for our dipping sauce. The ratio is 1 part juice, 1 part fish sauce, 1 part sugar. It seems like a lot of sugar to add, but this is what makes it taste so good. You could add less if you like though. We also added in garlic as well as finely chopped chili. It's up to you how much chili you put. For the banh xeo Vietnamese pancakes, we put local beer into the batter, aiming for a runny consistency. Now it's on to making the meat for the banh chao. There are a lot of different ingredients that go into the marinade. This is what gives it that sticky, smoky flavor when cooking. Nom nom. Mix, mix, mix. Then you have to place them into these grilling plates which will go onto the charcoal BBQ. You need to do to separate grilling plates for the meatballs and the pork belly pieces. It's important to place the pieces of meat close together so there are no gaps when cooking. Now it's time to head outside and get the barbecue ready for cooking. We are using charcoal, so we have to fan it to get it started. We are also using the gas stove to cook the Vietnamese pancakes. Once the charcoal was glowing red, we started putting the banh chao meat on to cook. It's really important to cook over the hot coals because it gives the meat that nice smoky flavor. Otherwise, it really isn't authentic banh chao. Make sure to flip every 30 seconds. Okay, now to cooking the banh xeo. Be aware that you need to use quite a lot of oil in the pan. First, put a thin layer of the pancake batter into the pan. Once it's cooked a little, you can start putting whatever toppings you like inside for the filling. We put in some vegetables, mung beans, as well as pork mince. A thin layer only on one side of the pancake though. Once it starts getting crispy, you fold it over and it's done. I think we made about 15 pancakes in the end. The batter and fillings go a long way. Okay, all the cooking is finally finished. Now it's time to eat. All the food was absolutely delicious. We've never made Vietnamese food ourselves before, so can't believe how well it all turned out. It was hard to pick a favorite dish, but I think it had to be the banh chao. There's something about the flavors of this dish that gets us every time. They also give you a copy of all the recipes. After demolishing all the food, we finished up with some freshly made egg coffee, a local Hanoi specialty.